Hey everyone, last time I made a video about Honeygain and that video got a positive response, but so today my friend, I am going to cover each and everything about Honeygain and how you can use that and earn a passive income for yourself. By the way, if you are still haven't using Honeygain, you can download it from the first link in the description box, or you can use our code CODER to get $5 sign up bonus. To get started with Honeygain, visit their website or click on the first link in the description box below, create an account, then download that app and log in with your credentials. That's it. Now simply run the app on your device and start earning money. If you want to learn more about the installation process of Honeygain, you can watch my previous video, link given in the description box below. Now it's obvious that Honeygain won't cover your living cost, and nevertheless you can earn enough to treat yourself with small purchases like Netflix, Spotify, YouTube Premium subscription, or maybe an in-game currency, or maybe Nitro for your kitty. By the way, here is a quick announcement. Honeygain is celebrating its 4th birthday. To mark this significant achievement, they are running a contest where you have the chance to win up to 4 million credits, which is equivalent to $4,000 in cash. You can participate on the contest by referring your friends. If you want to learn more, please check the contest link in the description box below.
It's haram, bro!
Honeygain sounds too good to be true. Is it legit? Yes, it is. You might wondering, how does it actually pay us money? Well, it utilize your unused internet bandwidth to track various data for various companies to create residential proxies, and in return they compensate you for it. So here are some payment proofs that I got from Honeygain. Once you have earned $20 from Honeygain, you can withdraw your earnings using PayPal or JumpTax wallet. If you wanna learn more about how you can withdraw your earned money from Honeygain, you can watch this video, link given in the description box below. Come on man, just use the money you have earned from Honeygain and buy Nitro. So yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure to use my code CODER to get $5 sign up bonus. Have a nice day.